Welcome to Classic Cars of Sarasota. Today we're going to look at this 1964 Volkswagen Beetle Deluxe. Just an absolutely beautiful car here. You can see in the two-tone red and white, wide white wall tires, chrome moon hubcaps, matching interior, red and white, beautifully done. Restoration here. It does have a 4-speed manual. The engine has been, the 4-cylinder engine has been freshly restored, 40 horsepower engine. Before we get too deep into this 64 Volkswagen, I'll tell you a little bit about Classic Cars of Sarasota. We are located in Sarasota, Florida, on 301, just north of University, on the corner of Televast and 301. We keep about 100 cars in inventory. About 80% of those cars are domestic, classic cars, and the other 20% are exotic, luxury, and or European vehicles. But again, as I mentioned, 80% of them are domestic classic. If you're not in the state of Florida and you're interested in any one of our vehicles, please give us a call, 941-355-1955, or visit the website at Classic Cars of Sarasota. We can take care of you anywhere in the U.S. and anywhere in the world for that matter. We do provide shipping services. Last year we shipped to 19 different U.S. states and 7 different countries around the world, so we can get you this 64 Beetle anywhere you may be in the world. Go ahead and open up the engine compartment here. Absolutely pristine. You do see this has AC on it. Engine bay, beautifully detailed, in very excellent condition. If you have finance needs or would like to finance a vehicle, please don't hesitate. We can certainly handle your finance needs. Visit the website. We do have a finance tab on the website. You can fill out an application right there, and we will get it off to one of our classic car lenders. And we also have some late model lenders as well. You will see on this 64 Beetle, as we get back to it, it does have a sunroof. As I mentioned, AC, 4-speed manual. Again, it may be dark inside here, so I do apologize. Please visit the website, Classic Cars of Sarasota, for additional pictures of the vehicle. We do have the vehicle outside, so much better light than you can see in here. We'll go ahead and start it up. As you can see, it is a cold start here. Make sure we get the keys. This vehicle has been in several magazines, Coker tire ad, so a very well known vehicle. Starts right up. Make sure we're in neutral. As I mentioned, 40 horsepower engine, freshly restored, sounds great, vehicle runs very nice, paint is in excellent condition. If you're looking for a classic Volkswagen Beetle, you can't beat this one. Absolutely beautiful vehicle. Again, 1964 Volkswagen Beetle Deluxe, 4-speed manual transmission, AC, beautiful red and white. with a matching interior. Go ahead and shut it off here. Again, if you are interested, please give us a call, 941-355-1955, or visit our website at classiccarsofsarasota.com, and we'll certainly take care of any of your needs or answer your questions. And thank you for joining in.